In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add B-roll in Heygen. B-roll is the supporting footage that plays over your main content, like your avatar, so you can visually reinforce what you're saying. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your clips, place them where you want, and trim them to the perfect length. First, open your web browser and search for Heygen. This is just to get you to the official site quickly. When the results load, look for the official Heygen link. It should clearly reference the Heygen platform and not a third-party blog or ad. Click that link to head straight to the app. Once you're on the Heygen site, click Sign In. Use your usual login method so you can access your projects and tools. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right into your workspace. From there, click AI Studio. This is the main editor where you'll add and manage your B-roll. Inside AI Studio, look for the Media tab. Depending on your version, it might appear on either the left or the right side panel, but the label will read Media. Click it, then click Upload. Choose the MP4 or MOV files you want to use as B-roll. Higher quality clips will look better, but keep in mind that larger files can take a moment to process. Once the upload is complete, your clips will appear in your media library. Next, drag and drop the uploaded clip directly onto your canvas or your timeline. If you drop it on the canvas, it will place the clip in the current scene. If you drop it on the timeline, you can position it precisely where you want it to start. By default, the new clip will appear on top of your avatar. That's expected for B-roll. You can resize it using the corner handles. If you want full-screen B-roll that completely covers your avatar, stretch the clip to fill the entire frame. If you prefer picture-in-picture, scale it down and move it to a corner where it doesn't block key on-screen elements. Now, select the clip and click the scissors icon to trim it to the exact duration you need. Trim the in and out points so the B-roll starts right when you reference it in your narration and ends cleanly. This is non-destructive, so you can adjust again if your timing changes. Use the preview to play it back and confirm that the visual lines up with your audio and avatar. That's it. You've searched for Heygen, signed in, opened AI Studio, uploaded your footage, placed it on the canvas or timeline, positioned it over your avatar, and trimmed it for a polished, on-point result.